Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. This is architect Deepti from Transform. I hope you are watching my videos and liking them too. Thank you so much for all your support. तो चलिए start करते हैं.
In this picture, you can see that the bathroom is quite an old style and looking ugly too. So we thought of giving it a makeover, that too on a budget. So we thought of doing it ourselves. Firstly, I ordered a peel and stick granite looking paper from Temu and covered the countertop with this. Though it was quite a difficult task to cover it around the wash basin, but somehow me and my husband as a team managed to do it successfully. Now it's the time to paint the cabinets. So firstly I cleaned it with a mixture of vinegar and water, then a coat of primer, and then a single coat of paint with some water and brush strokes made it happen. After the paint was completely dried, I gave it 3 coats of polyurethane top coat with semi-gloss finish. After painting the cabinets and changing the countertop finish, the flooring was not going with the theme. So we thought of changing it too. Isn't it looking nice and going with the color palette? And then I found that this wall is looking very empty. So I thought of doing something with this as well. Now you can see the final look of this wall. Isn't it looking classy and going with the whole theme of the bathroom? Isn't this makeover made the bathroom look modern, that too on a budget? I am completely in love with this makeover. How do you like it? Do let me know in comments.
I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, bye bye.
Thanks for watching.